This channel has 50,000 subscribers with just 70 to 75 videos, and almost every video is getting millions of views. Their entire content is based on skeleton educational shorts. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos 100% free using AI. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Apps, then explore GPTs and search for skeleton shorts. Click Start Chat and type your topic, for example, skeleton eating fast food. Hit send, and ChatGPT will generate scene-wise B-roll prompts for your short video. Now, for image generation, go to Gemini. Click Create Image, take a screenshot from any skeleton reel, and upload it as a sample reference image. Paste the first scene prompt and click Run. If the background includes people, give this prompt. Use this as a sample image and create a clean image with only the skeleton. Run it again and download the clean image. Repeat this process to generate and download images for all scenes. Next, for video generation, go to Grok AI, click Upload File and upload the first scene image. Copy the same scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it below, and click Run. Once the video clip is generated, download it. Repeat this step for every scene. Now go back to ChatGPT and ask, give me a 15 to 30 second voiceover script for this video. Copy the script and open 11 Labs. Select Text to Speech, paste the script, choose a voice, and click Generate. Download the voiceover. Open any video editing app, import all video clips in sequence, then add the voiceover on top. Adjust the clip speeds according to the voiceover length, do not trim. Slightly crop the clips to remove any watermarks, and that's it. Your viral skeleton educational short is ready. If you want to learn how to create AI videos completely free and unlimited, subscribe